Hey Capricorn, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. Hey Capricorn, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of June. Woo! Alright guys, for some of you guys, your soulmate is coming back, okay? The person that you're destined to be with, they're coming back, okay? And this time, there's a big commitment on the line. And it could be that they want to start all the way over with you as far as like trying to build, you know, their trust back up. They want to be consistent because, yeah, they know they want to marry you. Some of you guys could be getting engaged. Okay. But for others of you, if you're single right now, this could be someone coming in that you've dealt with in a past life. And this is the person that you're meant to be with. So, yeah, let's jump in. I feel like a lot of you guys are on guard, though, either which way, however your storyline goes. But it is safe for you to love. The card is there. So, hey, I'm excited for y'all. It's about time. Let's see what's going on, Capricorn. Please keep this same energy throughout the spread, Lord. All right, let's see what's going on. All right, Capricorn, here we go. So, bottom of the deck, I have the Seven of Cups. So, this is telling me that you guys are feeling like whoever you were dealing with before, they had a lot of options, you know. It could be for some, you didn't like their behavior that they were, you know, showing you. Or maybe it could be for some of you guys, maybe you guys have different offers, but the offers that you've been given, you don't really care for them. So, let's see. Yeah, I do feel like for some of you guys, you just aren't confident with the people that have been approaching you lately. For others of you, the person that you were dealing with that had a lot of options, that broke your heart, this person wants to come back. This person wants to come back and apologize, but they're unsure if they want to offer you their cup of love because they know they messed up. They really want to give it to you, but you don't see them as far as like, you know, having stability, you know, having security. So that's why they're holding on. Yeah. I feel like this person's undecided about giving you this love offer, but I do feel like you're also undecided if they give you this offer, if you're going to take it. But look at this. There's definitely an offer coming. Yes. Capricorn. Okay. I didn't say Sagittarius a second ago. I don't know why I'm hearing Sagittarius, so maybe somebody's dealing with a Sagittarius. I don't know why I heard Sagittarius. I don't know. But anyway, somebody wants to give you this offer, but there's some type of codependency here. Clarify the Page of Pentacles in reverse. Tell me more. Somebody's definitely dealing with a Sagittarius because I keep hearing Sagittarius. So, let's see. Yeah, there's definitely some type of codependency here with this person. So, it looks like you guys need to make a decision. You could be up late at night frustrated, worried about it. This person could be up late at night worried, frustrated about it. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer here. But I do feel like, yeah, regardless of whoever's up late at night, somebody definitely wants to move forward. Maybe someone wants to, you know, move towards you physically. Like they have to move out of the situation that they're in order to give you this offer that you want. Because, yeah, look at that. Somebody definitely, oh my gosh, y'all, I'm getting excited for y'all. Somebody, you know, sees you, making them very happy. They're content with you. You balance them out. You know, maybe if somebody was codependent to someone else for finances, I feel like they took their time staying away from you because they wanted to balance out their financial situation first before they came to give you this offer. Yeah, but look at that. Oh my gosh. Yeah, somebody feels like they got stabbed in the back. There was definitely an ending here. Tell me more. But they're asking you guys to have hope. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius. But yeah, they definitely want you guys to have hope in the situation. Please stay positive. Because some of you guys are definitely manifesting things. Tell me more. What's going on, Capricorn? Somebody could be dealing with a Leo, and it's like you're trying to have hope, you're trying to stay positive, but you just don't have the strength. You know, I feel like Yeah, okay. Let's back up. Okay, somebody could be dealing with an air sign here. Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. This person you cut off in the past, but you really didn't want to cut this person off, but you felt like you had no choice. This person was playing around. So now the person that you cut off, this person is coming back. They want to talk to you. They're hesitating, but they're going to come back. They want to give you some type of truth here. Now, y'all know, let me just say it. I say it all the time. This is a general reading. So, it may not apply to everyone, and the situation can be vice versa. So, just take it however it fits for you in your situation. Okay, back to what's going on. So, you cut this person off, but now, like I was saying, they want to come back and communicate to you. They want happiness with you, but again, they have to give you their truth. Some of you guys knew to a degree that there was a third party going on, but this person didn't really give you all the details. I feel like they want to come back to tell you exactly what was going on in that situation, because they have to in order to turn things around. I mean, you can't make this up. Tarot, they just better be completing my sentences. But yeah, this person wants to like get out of conflict with you. They want to turn things around, but you don't really see anything improving with this person because of what they did to you in the past. They could have possibly been dealing with somebody from their past, and it's like you just don't know if you can trust them. You guys are definitely using your intuition at this point to make your decision. And you're coming out of being sad. You know, coming out of feeling like there was something that was lost. It could be the other person, because I told you for some of you guys, the other person was in some type of codependent situation for finances. So maybe they felt like leaving this person, they were going to take some type of financial loss, but they're coming out of that energy. But right now, when it comes to you guys, you're not putting in the hard work anymore when it comes to this person. You're like, enough is enough. I've done everything that I could, and at this point, I'm done. So by you doing that, by you guys, you know, putting your foot down, you're backing up, this person is keeping a close eye on you. They're watching you, whether you know it or not. They're keeping a close eye, okay? Yeah, because you walked away from them. They're watching you. So look, because you walked away from them, now they're trying to clean it up. They're trying to clear away obstacles on their end. They're trying to get their life together, you know? So they want to be with you. Look at that. The truth came out. Clarify the Tower in reverse. I feel like, yeah, for some of you guys, I'm telling you, somebody was stuck in a situation for finances. Just, you know, what I'm seeing here. And it's like, when it comes to the relationship aspect, you really do want to work things out with this person. You really do want to have a peace of mind with them, but you don't because of what they put you through. Let's see what's going on. Tell me more. Look at that. There's a lot of conflict here. You guys were arguing a lot, or it could be that the person that you were dealing with, there were people on, you know, his end or her end that they were literally battling with, you know, arguing, and that was causing a lot of conflict between the two of you as well. Somebody could have been dealing with a Virgo here, but I feel like there was a lesson to be learned. Somebody needed to take a step back to reevaluate the situation. And they're frustrated. This other person that messed up, they're frustrated. And it's like, some of you guys may not have heard anything from them just yet, but they definitely want to tell you about how they feel. They want to let you know they love you. They messed up. Again, that card landed on top of my wedding card. So, you know, they really want to make some type of commitment to prove to you that they want to be with you. I'm telling y'all, somebody's getting engaged. I feel it. Somebody out there is getting, proposal is coming. Somebody's worried. Tell me more. Because they're back and forth. Whether or not this person, you know, will disappoint them. Because you really want happiness with them. But it's, again, you just don't trust them. You're tired of the same old cycle. Tell me more. Yeah. Okay. Alright, so, I mean, you can't make this up, y'all. So, the person that you're dealing with, they're moving slow, right? This person moves like a snail. But they're moving slow this go round because they don't want to bring any more drama to you. It's like every day they're getting stronger. They're trying to clear away obstacles to come towards you to give you the offer that you deserve. So, they're coming. They just moving so goddamn slow. They're coming. Alright, somebody could be dealing with a water sign here. Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. If not, Scorpio just tried to jump out, so somebody definitely could be dealing with a Scorpio. So, if not, I feel like you're emotional, Capricorn. This person definitely has you in your feelings because, again, when you were dealing with them, they had other options. You were loyal to this person. You know, you gave this person your all, and they were out here entertaining, anybody else, So, it's like, I don't know if I can really trust you. You feel like you don't have any other options here with this person, which is why you're not putting in the hard work. Look at that. It's two people here. Somebody's having to choose between two. And you know what? Now that I think about it, when the Knight of Pentacles and the Hangman came out, I did see the Three of Swords at the bottom of the deck, but it was reversed. So, yeah, somebody had to get out of a three-party situation, and that's why you're nervous. Somebody is sad. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, a Capricorn, like yourself, Taurus, or a Virgo. But yeah, somebody has to make a decision between two. I feel like one person, the individual looks at like, this is the one I know in my heart of hearts, like, I love this person. This person completes me. The other person, I feel like they care and love this person too, but it's more of like a financial situation. So, that's why they're moving slow. They're trying to get that together. Yeah, but you guys are looking at it like you felt left out in the cold. Could have been dealing with an Aries here. Good Lord, I got a Libra. But, yeah, so somebody definitely felt left out in the cold. You're looking at them like they didn't bring stability into your life. Maybe somebody had to get out of some type of legal situation, but if not, I definitely feel like the truth is coming out. This person is scared to give you this offer, guys, because they really feel like you're going to reject them. That's why they're not being positive about it. That's why you're really not hearing from them, because they know they put you in a three-party situation. But they want to come in fast to tell you something. But they're in their head. This person's talking themselves out of it. It's like 1 minute, they're ready to rush in. Next minute, they're like, let me back up. So, yeah, they're in their head. It's a lot of mental conflict here, because they know they messed up. They know they only have one more time to say something to you, because you're like, I'm not dealing with this. Yeah, there was a breakup here. They're in their head because you guys entered it with them. Because you stood up for yourself. You're like, I'm no longer tolerating the BS from you anymore. And so they're really thinking that you don't want anything to do with them. But deep down, for a lot of y'all do. I'm not going to keep saying y'all rolling your eyes. I'm going to just hush. But, okay. Let's see. So look at that. Somebody wants a victory here, Capricorn. I mean, you can't make this up. You can't. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus, but this person is coming back. They want a victory with you. I'm telling y'all, some of y'all are getting engaged. I'm not, like, I feel it. Somebody, y'all have to leave some comments. Somebody is coming back. If this person is not trying to throw a Hail Mary at this point, like, baby, wait, I'm sorry, look, I'm serious this time, I got you a ring, like, to prove themselves. That's the Hail Mary, okay? If it's not that, they're coming back because they do want things to improve, and they're going to offer you the commitment that you deserve, and that this commitment will lead into marriage. I'm so excited for whoever this is resonating for. Like, I'm excited.